Hello, so today I'm going to do a makeup look. All black owned beauty brands once again, but I'm trying something different. I recorded a video using a lot of Mented and the Mented eyeshadow palette, which I love. However, I accidentally deleted the footage. I'm working on trying to get it back. However, if I don't, I'll have to record that over. I have a little bit of hope, so I'm not going to do that today. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm just gonna put my hair up and get it out of the way, and I'll be right back. Okay, so like I said, let's get started. So we're gonna start with eyebrows. It's always how I start. I just feel like that's where I need to begin. So as far as I know, the place where I go to get my eyebrows done, like waxed, is not opened yet. But even if they were, I'm not in any rush to go to any place right now. I don't think anything other than medical issues and going to the doctor is essential for me. So I can wait until I think it's safe. So this brow pencil is from Mented. The Mented High Brow Precision Pencil in the color Brow Down. The other color I use is a little darker, but this is more of a brown. So my brushes are all cleaned. I cleaned them a few days ago, so that's a plus. So I can use any brush I want. I'm going to use this Sacha concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. It's been hot. It's been really hot lately, and I don't have an air conditioner in this room, so recording was just not an option. It was way too hot. Like, I feel sweat coming. Today's not so bad, but I'm working on finding an air conditioner that I can at least cool off the room before I come and do what I have to do, because this heat is no joke. In this Vivid Pigment palette, there is no, like, my skin tone color. So I'm gonna go in the Safari Raine and just use some clay. It's close enough to my skin tone, I guess. And I'm gonna put it right there. So today I'm using natural light, and I like it. I don't have to worry about the extra heat of lights on me. This is a Sigma E35 tapered blending brush. I'm gonna go back to the Vivid Pigment palette. So we're gonna use a Sigma regular blending brush, the E25, and I'm gonna grab this yellow. I'm just grabbing the yellow, and I'm just gonna put it on my lid. Like, I want yellow. This is a Sigma E55. There's like 4 purples, so I'm gonna grab one I use the lemon drop. We are going to use Bossed Up. It's not the lightest purple, but I can't explain it. We're gonna put this over here. Kind of blend it in. It looks pink to me. Then we can go in with purple Smurf and go over it. Purp Smurf. I'm gonna use Crushin. And then I'm gonna put Party Drip over it. So Crushin first. It wasn't ruin my yellow. I just covered that yellow there. Party Drip is a bright pink. Sometimes you look crazy. Like I started out, just looks a little crazy, but you just gotta keep going and hope that it all come together. So now I'm gonna go on to foundation. So I have Fenty, I have their Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear foundation and their other one, Soft Matte. I'm gonna mix them together. Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush. I'm just gonna use that. Okay, we are using Black Radiance concealer. This is the Morphe M439 that I'm using. None of these brushes are black owned. So I'm gonna use Sacha Buttercup under my eye. I'm gonna use a brush, e.l.f. blush brush. This is a Morphe E36. I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna go to Party Drip and I'm gonna put it under. And then, if it lets me, I'm gonna mix it with Crushin, and put that here. And then, if I can find another small brush, I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon drop. So my Sephora Pro 61 brush, which I don't ever see anymore. I'm just gonna do it all over my face. Just make sure everything is blended in. Automatic eyelining pencil by Black Opal in the color Licorice. I've been using it a lot. I just realized I have 15 minutes until a Zoom, so I really have to speed it up. Okay, so I just got today the Black Radiance Fine Line Liquid Eyeliner. This is my first time having a black brand eyeliner that's a liquid eyeliner because I haven't been able to find one. This Black Radiance oil primer for your lips. I'm gonna put that on. I'm putting this on real quick to make sure my lips are hydrated because I'm using a matte lipstick and I don't know what this is, and just, oh, this is light. It smells, oh, it smells good. It smells like candy. Now, Fenty Caramel Cutie Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. So I used this in my video that I deleted the footage, and I liked it. I didn't know what I was doing, but I liked it. Pro Precision Face Brush 680 by Luxie. And we're just gonna get that and we're gonna put it up here. Quickly, I'm gonna rush to this colored Raine Power highlighter and blush duo, and I'm just gonna do it. We're gonna do the highlighter first because I just picked up the highlighter brush. I'm just gonna highlight the nudes a little bit. Can you see that? I don't know. Oh, I do see it. Oh, that's pretty. And that's it for highlighter. I'm not doing it on my cheeks. My cheeks, I have enough issues. They don't need to be highlighted. And then blush. So we're gonna pick up this angled Beige Cosmetics blush brush. This brush has a little shimmer to it, so it probably won't look so great on these cheeks of mine because they got issues. But I'm just put it on. I see it. That's good. This colored Raine Power blush and highlighter is called Call the Shots. It's with their collab with Power. If you don't watch Power on Stars, it's done now, so it's time to watch it. It's really good. Yeah, so when I saw that, I was like, oh, Power, I gotta get it. I have some of the lip colors from the collab as well, but that's not the lip color I'm using today, but one of them is really, really nice. This is Black Opal again. I'm not opening the Black Radiance yet because it doesn't make any sense to have a bunch of mascaras open. I definitely need a mascara with a smaller wand for my bottom lashes because I can never see them until the mascara's on. I'm like, oh, there you guys are. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Black Opal Precision Lip Definer. It's a brown. And I'm using the colored Raine matte lipstick in Queendom. This was the color I had when I finished my twist out, and I really liked it. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of the brown back over it. So do we like the color with this, or did I need something else? I just was determined to use this lip color. I didn't know I was doing my eyes, but I think I like it. I have 3 minutes, so I cannot do my lashes right now, but maybe I'll add them on after. So let me just spray. So hopefully this stays. Did I forget anything? I don't think so. Take the hair down. I gotta go to the zoom. I feel like I'm always in the zoom. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Please leave a comment below if you liked it. If you didn't, I don't care. I'll subscribe. I would love to hear what you have to say, and I hope to see you next time. Please also like the video. Yeah, this is the finished look. I'm gonna be doing my hair soon, but I have to go on this Zoom call right now. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Bye.